What's going on, guys? Today we gonna be show you how to enable dark mode in Windows 10. Don't worry, we are not using any third-party software. To achieve this feature is official and in Vulture Windows 10 operating system. Anybody with an updated Windows 10 copy can have this feature turned on straight away. Before we begin the actual tutorial, let me introduce you to the Windows 10 dark mode. Starting with Windows 10 built 1809, you can enable dark mode for File Explorer and similar things in the Windows interface, which the feature is that you should have been requesting for quite a long time. Dark themes are becoming more popular than ever before. It's been really useful for those who are operating their system in a darker environment or staring at their screens for a longer time period. By enabling dark mode, you don't have to look at those or exposed to eye-straining vibe backgrounds anymore, at least when you're on your system in the face. It literally seams your eyes as well as I found it helpful when it comes to workflow or productivity. So without further ado, let's get started. Go to your settings, personalization. Now we go to the colors tab. Now scroll down a little bit and it will see the dark option under the default app mode section. As you can see now, you're successfully enabled the dark mode by enabling Windows 10 dark mode or night mode. Windows will apply a muted black background Tor theme to its interface. Like you can see the changes that happen to the settings. Search box, right-click menu, File Explorer. Even it supports programs sumter bodies such as Chrome or Firefox, but you can see only the search bar and the nearby things are adapted to the Windows in dark mode. But this is not the thing we are always looking when we browse something. It is the website, and you can see it still were exposed in their vibe backgrounds. If you're interested, there is a similar dark mode feature for Chrome Alon. It's also available for Firefox as well. By doing that, it can take things to another level. You can browse any website in Google Chrome with the darker background. So that's how you can enable dark mode on your Windows 10 PCs. Laptops, leave a like if you like subs. If you want to watch more, share the video if you think it would help others, and don't forget to comment your experience on the dark mode and your valuable opinions about the video itself. Your valuable feedback is a lot to me. Please feel free. This is me, your host, Tech Learners. See you soon with another one.